modulus or absolute value of a real number. Absolute value of a real number. It is known as numerical value. Of a real number. It is modulus or absolute value or numerical value of a real number. For example, take 3. Numerical value is 3. It is modulus 3. Numerical value, absolute value or modulus. Modulus 3 equal 3. Modulus minus 3. It is also 3. It is a numerical value. Modulus minus 3 equal to 3. Modulus 2 equal to 2. Modulus minus 2 equal to modulus 1.2. It is 1.2. Modulus minus 1.2. It is also 1.2. Take positive value only. It is modulus or absolute value. For example, x is equal to modulus x equal to 3. Then what is the value of x? If you write x equal to 3, that is modulus 3 equal to 3. If x equal to minus 3 also, modulus minus 3 equal to 3. So the values of x are plus 3 or minus 3, plus or minus 3. And the second one, modulus x equal to 10. Then x equal to plus or minus 10. For example, modulus x equal to minus 5. What is the value of x? Nothing. Modulus value always positive, but here minus, negative value. So it is not possible. Modulus x, it is always positive. Always positive. Positive value, take positive value only. If we see definition of modulus function, if x is a real number, then the modulus of x is written as it is modulus x, and defined as modulus x equal to x. If x greater than or equal to 0, x greater than or equal to 0 means 0 and more than 0. For example, modulus 3 equal to 3, modulus 2 equal to 2, modulus 0 equal to 0, modulus 1.5 equal to 1.5. These all are positive values. Modulus 3 equal to 3, modulus x equal to x. If x greater than 0, then modulus x equal to x. If x equal to 0, then modulus x equal to 0, that is x. Modulus x equal to minus x if x less than 0. For example, modulus minus 2 equal to 2. It is minus of minus 2. It is x. Minus minus x minus x minus of minus x. It is minus x, but minus x is positive value. Minus x is positive value. X is positive value. X is positive value. Then modulus x equal to x. X is negative. Then modulus x equal to minus x. Minus x is negative value. Positive value. X is negative. Minus x is positive. Here, the symbol of modulus. It is a symbol of modulus. Modulus x. It was used by Karl Weierstrass, a German mathematician, Karl Weierstrass used the symbol modulus. We must know modulus x equal to x if x greater than or equal to 0. Modulus x equal to minus x if x less than 0. Here x is positive, here minus x is positive. Minus x is positive. X is negative, then minus x is positive. Take an example. If x less than 10, then what is the value of modulus x minus 10? Also modulus 10 minus x. We know that modulus x equal to x if x greater than or equal to 0, greater than or equal to 0. Modulus x equal to minus x if x less than 0. Here x less than 10. If we know the value more than 0 or less than 0, we must determine the value of modulus. Here x less than 10 is given. Then x minus 10 less than 0. Here x less than 10, x minus 10 less than 10 minus 10. X minus 10 less than 10 minus 10 equal to 0. X minus 10 less than 0. So if x less than 10, then x minus 10 less than 0. If x less than 0, then modulus x equal to minus x. Therefore, modulus x minus 10 is equal to minus of x minus 10. That equal to 10 minus x. 10 minus x. It is 10 minus x. For example, modulus 2 equal to 2. Modulus minus 2 equal to 2. Modulus x minus y. If modulus x minus y equal to 2, then modulus y minus x equal to also 2. Here the numerical value of x minus y and y minus x are same. The numerical value is positive value 2, 2. So modulus x minus y is equal to modulus y minus x. Here modulus x minus 10 equal to 10 minus x. Modulus 10 minus x also 10 minus x. And the second one, if x greater than 20, then modulus x minus 20 equal to dash. Here given that x greater than 20, that implies 20 greater than 0, it is more than 0. If x more than 0, modulus x equal to x. Therefore, modulus x minus 20 is equal to x minus 20. It is x minus 20. If x greater than 20, then what is the value of x minus 10? X greater than 20. 20 greater than 10. So x greater than 10. It is x is more than 20. 20 is more than 10. Hence x is more than 10. Then x minus 10 is more than 0. Therefore, x minus 10 is equal to x minus 10. It is more than 0. More than 0, modulus x equal to x. Modulus x minus 10 equal to x minus 10. So, it is x minus 10. Fifth one, 10 less than x less than 20. If 10 less than x less than 20, then what is the value of modulus x minus 10 plus modulus x minus 20? Here 10 less than x less than 20. We need x minus 10 and x minus 20. So take this part, 10 less than x. That is, x is more than 10. X is more than 10. then x minus 10 is more than 0. Hence, x minus 10, modulus x minus 10 equal to x minus 10. It is equation 1. Next one, we need modulus x minus 20. Here, we have to take this part, second part. X less than 20. Then, x minus 20 less than 0. Hence, modulus x minus 20 equal to, it is less than 0. Less than 0 means modulus x equal to minus x. Minus of x minus 20 is equal to 20 minus x. It is equation 2. We have to find modulus x minus 10 plus modulus x minus 20. Here, modulus x minus 10 equal to x minus 10 plus modulus x minus 20 equal to 20 minus x. X minus x get cancelled. Minus 10 plus 20 equal to 10. It is 10. Graph of y is equal to modulus x. If we draw the graph, we must represent the relation between x and y by using coordinates. Y is equal to modulus x. Here, take x value minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. We have to find y value. Here y is equal to modulus x equal to minus 3, x equal to minus 3, y equal to modulus x, that is modulus minus 3 equal to 3, y value 3, y equal to modulus x, substitute x equal to minus 3, so modulus minus 3, 3, and second one minus 2, put x equal to minus 2, y equal to modulus minus 2 is 2, modulus minus 1, 1, modulus 0, 0, modulus 1, 1, modulus 2, 1, modulus 3, modulus 2, 2, modulus 3, 3, modulus 4, 4. Therefore, coordinates on y equal to modulus x are minus 3, 3, minus 2, 2, minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, and so on. Plot the points on the graph and draw the graph. Here it is x-axis, it is y-axis, origin O 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8. Here in downfall, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and minus 6. Put to minus 3 and 3, minus 3, 3. It is minus 3, and y-axis 3, minus 3, 3. It is minus 3, 3. And minus 2, 2, minus 2, 2, minus 2, 2. Minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1. 0, 0, 0, 0. 1, 1. It is 1, it is 1, 1, 1. 2, 2. 3, 3. 4, 4. If we take x value as minus 4, 4, 4. 5, 5, 5. Minus 5, minus 5, 5. So, all points are on the straight line. If we join the all points with the straight line, It is the graph of y equal to modulus x. And it's the problem.